In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell books on eBay. We'll walk through the full listing flow from starting your draft to going live, with clear tips so your book stands out and sells confidently. First, head to eBay's homepage and click on Sell. This takes you to your selling hub, where you'll see an option to create listing. Go ahead and click that to start a fresh listing. You'll be prompted to describe what you're selling. Type the book title in the search box. Using the exact title, plus the author or ISBN if you have it, helps eBay pull up accurate suggestions. From the results, select the product that matches your book. Choosing a matching product is helpful because eBay can pre-fill category and details for you, saving time and improving visibility. Next, you'll be asked to select the condition of your item. For this example, choose New. If your copy isn't brand new, select the most accurate option, like new or very good, and be consistent with what buyers will see in your photos and description. Then click. Continue to a listing to move into the full editor. Start by adding photos. Click Upload from Computer and choose clear, well-lit images. Include the front and back cover, spine, title page, copyright page, and any notable flaws. If the book is sealed or includes extras like a dust jacket, show that too. Clean, high-resolution photos build trust and reduce returns. Now, add your listing title. Make it searchable. Include the title, author, format, hardcover or paperback, and key terms like first edition or signed if applicable. Next, fill in the item specifics. These structured details, author, ISBN, language, publication year, format, and edition, help your listing appear in filtered searches and boost buyer confidence. Write a concise, honest description. Summarize the book, highlight edition details, and be upfront about condition. If there are creases, marks, or shelfware, note them clearly. Keep paragraphs short and scannable, and avoid using all caps. Set your item price. You can choose a fixed price and, if you like, enable offers to attract more buyers. Consider checking comparable sold listings to gauge a competitive price, especially for popular titles or collectible editions. Configure shipping. Enter the package weight and size as accurately as possible. Books are often economical to ship, and in some regions, a book rate can be cost-effective. Pack securely with padding to protect corners and the spine. Clear handling times and fair shipping costs can improve conversion. When everything looks good, click. List it. Your book is now live. You can still revise the listing, respond promptly to messages, and once it sells, ship quickly with tracking to ensure a great buyer experience.